Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, I'll be guiding you through the steps to uninstall MySQL Community Edition 8 from Oracle Linux 7. Whether you're cleaning up your system or reinstalling MySQL, this demo will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. Here we go. For step-by-step practical demo of uninstalling MySQL Community Edition 8 from Oracle Linux Server 7. Firstly, log in as root user account. Use ID command to check username. Then, search for repository packages using this rpm-qa command. It will display information about MySQL release. Currently, we have installed MySQL Community Edition. Therefore, this command will display output showing about MySQL Community release. If we have MariaDB or Percona, then this rpm display output according to that specific release. This yum remove command will remove MySQL repository. Verify that MySQL repository has been removed successfully using rpm-qa command. Now, retrieve information about MySQL installed packages, so that to remove them using yum remove command. Remove MySQL packages found in above yum-qa command. Remove packages one by one using yum remove command. A user with name MySQL is automatically created while installing MySQL Server. Remove user MySQL using this command. Find any MySQL related files in var lib directory. Find any MySQL related files in var log directory. We can see MySQL d.log file in var log directory. Remove this file. Go to directory var log. Remove file MySQL d.log file using rm command. Now verify if uninstall is complete successfully. List any open files related to MySQL user. Check about MySQL port 3306 if open or not. So, we have seen that MySQL uninstallation is successful. Verify if uninstall is successful using PID of command to check if there is any remaining process ID related to MySQL. And that's it. I've just shown you how to completely uninstall MySQL Community Edition 8 from Oracle Linux 7. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.